Hi guys. Gaining insight into your competition and the tools they utilize can provide you with a significant advantage. This video will guide you on how to use a Google Chrome extension called Shopify Theme Checker. This extension allows you to quickly determine whether a website is built on Shopify and to discover the theme it is using, all with just a few clicks. First, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Shopify Theme Checker by Hura Apps. Once you're on the Shopify Theme Checker detail page, click on the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension to proceed with the installation. The extension will be downloaded and installed automatically. After installing the extension successfully, the icon will appear on your web browser's toolbar. And now head over to any Shopify online store that you suspect might be using. Then click on this icon to activate the extension. Upon clicking the icon, a pop-up will appear displaying crucial information about the website. You'll see whether the site is built on Shopify and details about the theme it's using, including its name and other relevant attributes. The Shopify Theme Checker is an invaluable tool for anyone involved in e-commerce, whether you're a developer, designer, or entrepreneur. I hope this video has been helpful to you. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.